Come test drive the 2023 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.